It's Tuesday night in a fresh meat processing factory. Here, in line with strict hygiene requirements, meat is processed, packed and labelled around the clock. Just as Mr. Smith, the production manager, is checking the labelling machine, there's a big bang. Everything grinds to a halt. The lightning strike has damaged the price labeller. This calls for rapid action because the fresh meat products may not leave the production area without a label displaying the use-by date. Mr. Smith immediately calls the Bizerba service hotline. The service representative accesses the label machine remotely. It soon becomes clear that the software is working fine. There must be a problem with the hardware. This is a task for a Bizerba service specialist. From the worldwide network of over 1,000 experts, the right specialist is selected. In this case, it's Mr. Jones. He is experienced, available and located very close to the production facility. He has also looked after the machine ever since it was installed. The service call is arranged quickly so that Mr. Jones is aware of the situation before he arrives. He hurries to the factory and checks the labelling machine. The verdict: a defective power supply unit. Mr. Jones has a new power supply unit in his van. It's just one of 20,000 Bizerba original spare parts that are held in stock in the Global Service Centre. He replaces the power unit in no time. The test run is completed successfully, and after less than 2 hours of downtime, everything is back up and running again. Rapid assistance and regular servicing are guaranteed because, thankfully, the meat processing company has a service contract with Bizerba. And use of the right care and cleaning products also protects the equipment against wear and tear. By the way, Bizerba gives defective but high-value parts a second chance in life. They are overhauled in the Global Repair Centre. That's good for the environment and also for customers because they end up paying less. And so even if everything should grind to a halt, they know who they can depend on. From consulting to standby support, Bizerba's service is always perfectly tailored to your needs.